I'll bust my ass. All right. Let me turn this shit down. We'll get copyrighted. I am London.
I'm Tootie.
And she wanted to do this damn mukbang. What you this?
Nothing. You want some?
No. It tastes like you just She wanted to do this mukbang video. So we're gonna do it. I don't really know what we're supposed to do besides eat and talk.
Eat and talk.
So.
Oh,
But I don't really like eating in front of people though. Like I never really eat. Well, y'all, but
I don't give a fuck.
I'm about to bleep. There's gonna be a lot of bleeping in this video.
Oh shit.
That's good. I mean, oh this shit. So, what the fuck? Look at nobody. What you saying?
In that rain. Yo, shout out B Love.
Oh my god, she knows.
That's where I got this idea from. I'm a B
Ooh,
Love.
this shrimp is good.
I cooked.
She boiled the shit in a pot with some water and seasoning.
Don't blame me, bro, because people can't cook and people can't do that. Can you do that?
Yes.
You make the next boil. Let's see how good it tastes.
Okay.
You can't do that. Last time we had freak that. Last time we had a boil, everybody.
But you know why?
But that was
that was the first one we had though. It was a big pot.
But that was your first time boiling with seasoning and water?
No, it wasn't.
So you should know.
Yeah, but I've never cooked that much. Long story short, I just put too much seasoning. I put too much seasoning, and it was spicy and salty. Because I put too much seasoning. But it was a big ass pot. That's why. So you already know what we listening to. Oh yeah, I was gonna get to this. You already know. We're listening to Chris Brown. And we going to the show in June. And I'm gonna be lit. We're boring. We're not talking.
I'm so focused about eating, bro.
This is weird. Like, people really, like, be watching these videos, watch people eat.
Yes, bro, because I'm one of them. If I bust my butt on this thing, I'ma cry.
I feel like I'm eating a piece that I should be eating.
Hmm?
Yep.
You mean what?
It's like a part of the thing,
We got work
We do.
in like an hour.
I'm too mad. Bro, yeah.
I'm too sad.
We work at night.
Oh,
So
oh, bro.
I'm looking dead in the camera. That's so weird.
Damn.
Bro, it's going. It's really not going, but. Man.
This is another corn over there.
I feel like we're supposed to talk the whole time. So what you want to talk about?
Adele Beckham Jr.
So, if you don't know her, when I tell you this girl, well, I can't talk because I like Chris Brown, but she and Odell Beckham, it's like a whole nother level, bro. She could probably tell you every birthmark this nigga got on his body. She can tell you the time he was born, what hospital. She loves this. I always told her, like, if I ever go somewhere and I see him, I don't care where we at. I did see him, but it was levels to it.
Sad moment.
But I told her, like, if I ever see this man, I'm gonna text you, hey bro, don't look crusty. She asked, don't ask no questions. Just don't look crusty. I'm gonna FaceTime.
She did. She went to All-Star weekend, and he was at the game. And I already knew. I was like, bro, if you see Odell, just FaceTime me, bro. So I'm at home watching TV. I get.
She had to do it.
I was like, what's up, bro? She said, ah, bitch. I said, ah.
Bro, he right. She was. She has a big butt, right? So I was like, hey, bro, just flash into the cameras like I did.
I was like, I'm gonna. Hey, what's up? Just give him your phone. We good.
Just give him a phone, and the rest is history. We probably shouldn't be saying this.
Bro, no, kid. I got a whole nigga.
Oh, a whole one.
I love you, babe.
But either way.
So we got big crab, but like we got a small cluster of small crab because like they literally ran out of crab. So
I don't get that, but
I mean I guess everybody was having because they had like a whole bunch of like stuff for like broils out. So I'm guessing. I guess. I am on the verge of being a pescatarian. So,
bro, sausages look like hot dogs, and I hate hot dogs.
Huh?
The sausages look like hot dogs. I hate hot dogs. Is it a hot dog?
Mm-mm. You don't like it?
No, sorry. It's a hot dog.
Turn your thing off. Who is that?
Somebody I don't.
Who is it?
Don't say the name.
Okay. Sick of that. Sick of it.
But anyway, you be eating oysters?
Yes, bro. I eat all seafood. That's why I eat
oysters look like
pescatarian.
Oysters look like mucus. Like a puddle of mucus. I don't like oysters. I tried oysters. I don't like oysters. And they remind me. You remember that episode on was that oyster?
Don't tell me nothing.
SpongeBob.
Oh,
When they had that baby.
that was a clam.
What's the difference?
I don't know.
So yesterday. We live in Austin, right? And I've been here for like 10 years. She's from here, but I have never like really went out and done stuff. Like everybody be like, oh, I love people that don't live in Austin be like, oh, I love Austin. I'm always like, why? But I'm starting to see why. Like every Tuesday we're gonna start going out and exploring.
Vlogging it.
We should, right? So last Tuesday we went on a picnic. No, last Tuesday.
Oh yeah.
We went on like a real life picnic, had blankets, food, all that. And we ate at this park called Zucker Park. If you're from Austin, you know what that is. It was nice. And then she left, but me and my other friends, we rode bikes too, just around. It was real fun. So yesterday we went paddleboarding. That was fun. And me, I've never been the type. I don't like lakes. I don't like oceans. None of that stuff because the water's scary. You don't know what is in the water. I don't like shit touching me. But I'm like, it's growing on me or whatever. But we went paddleboarding. That was fun. And then we went jet skiing.
That was the livest experience. That's my first time jet skiing. I'm born and raised in Austin, Texas.
Jet skiing was fun. And it's cool too because like you can really go fast because the water's calm. I'm not going on the ocean. I'm not.
Well, the ocean calm too. Some of the ocean's calm.
But there's waves.
It was waves in the lake.
Not no ocean waves, bro. Going 50, picture going 50.
On big ass legs.
Oh, Nat need to get the hell out the camera.
Fruit, bro. I ain't no fruit. Like,
yeah.
drop fruit flies, if that makes sense.
So, yeah, ocean, that's a dub. Unless I'm getting on my own. I'm like, alright, I'll catch y'all later.
She fell in the water.
I'm gonna go 30 miles on that bitch.
She fell in the water. Her main thing was she did not want to get in the water.
I didn't want to get in the water, and
She
I
was
would.
the only one that fell.
No, this was first mistake. Love you, Ari. This was my first mistake. I decided to ride with my friend Ari. Now Ari is a damn speed demon, daredevil, reckless. Like she don't care. So I already knew, like riding on the back of her, like we was finna just be going as fast as they can go, right? So going there, cool. It was fast. I would scream, but all right. Then we went to this little place. I might have drank a little bit, but not a lot. And then on the way back, I rode a little bit, got a little feel for it, but I was like, all right, I'm gonna just ride back. I'll let you ride the rest of the way. Mistake number 2. We're riding, and this bitch just wants to just start doing donuts in the lane and stuff. So I'm like, okay. So I'm just screaming because, like, I'm like, well, this is fun. Living my best life. Cool. And she told me, she was like, let me know whenever, like, because the guy told us, like, it could they could flip over. But Ari and our other friends like, they're not going to flip over. But every time this bitch busts donuts, the whole jet ski would tilt.
No, low key. I thought mine was gonna flip like a couple times. I was like, yo.
Boom. And I was telling her, like, all right. And I told her this was my safe word was, all right. All right. But I said, all right, let off the gas. So she busted a donut. Cool. But I was slipping because, like, the seat was wet now. So I'm slipping. Then she felt live. So she wanted to bust another one full speed. That's where I slid off, holding on. Like, you know when people ride a mechanical bull and they be halfway off that, but they don't let go of that bitch? That was me on a jet ski. I said, all right.
He told you not to do that, though, because that could flip it.
Bro, no. I was trying to pull myself back because I was not taking the L.
Just let go.
I was not about to take the L. I said, all right, thinking she was going to let go of the gas. She didn't hear me, so she pushed that gas again. I fell off that hill. And I can swim. Like, I can legit swim. But I don't know what it was about being in the lake that just made me panic because I was like, oh my God. And I had a life vest on, so I started to panic. And she was like, I'm coming back to you. Wouldn't turn the damn jet ski off. She was like, climb up the back.
I was like, all right.
I was like, turn it off.
She couldn't hear you. I said, all right, turn the jet ski off. She said, oh.
I'm over here like, oh my God. Oh my God.
And so she like getting on. I said, see here. I said, let her get on from the back. She gonna say, while she climbing up, all right, you lost your privileges, all right.
Said, bitch, move. It's like, I'm riding on the back. Like, no. But she didn't turn it off. So, like, the motor, like, the bubbles was, like, hitting, blowing me back to the where I'm trying to get on it. So she got to, I told her, I said, all right, bitch, you lost your privileges. Get up. So I rode us back safely. But I will tell you this. I got some setting spray. Ain't move. So, I ain't gonna tell y'all what setting spray it is because I'm just gonna hold y'all like that. But none of my makeup.
I'm just gonna hold y'all like that.
I'm still popping. But yeah, that was cool. That was cool, Mom. Jet skiing is fun. But I'm riding my own from the now.
Yo, I don't see how people be eating these things, bro. Cause these thorns, whatever, hurt.
Lobo. We not gonna get in there.
What?
I thought you were gonna say something about how long we been recording?
Shit, I don't know.
I don't know either. What else? What else did you do?
We're going to flood the river.
I can't get the weed out this one. Yeah, next Tuesday we're going to float the river in San Marcos. That's gonna be fun. Until stuff starts to touch us. Oh, we gotta get floats and all that.
They don't have floats out there we can buy or rent?
Nah.
Or we're gonna go Five and Below and get a flamingo float.
Church. No, but they have floats there? Like big floats?
Yeah, bro. That's where
I know
Jada
HEB
got hers when we went to the pool.
I know HEB has
some big floats.
They're not big. They're just like a little tube there. Yeah.
I want a flamingo. Bro, touch that one. Try and break it. That shit don't make it mess with your hands. Yeah.
Oh, damn. Ah, bitch. Don't give me the damn kindergarten scissors. Do you remember kindergarten?
I remember one time I hit somebody in the head with my
course you
lunchbox
did.
because they took my ham sandwich out of my lunchbox. And I remember,
You be that child.
I remember, I'm naturally hype. Period. Like if I get under the influence, like if I get drunk or do anything, I'm the one who's like this the whole time, like, cause like my energy is just hype. So as a kid, just imagine like maybe 20 times worse. And so my mom, single mother, shout out mom, she didn't have enough time to like make breakfast in the morning or whatever. So we'd go through the little drive-through gas station, and she'll get like strawberry shortcakes or like Swiss rolls or honey buns and stuff. And so she'd feed them to us, and we leave, go out, go to class. My teacher wrote her a note one time. It was like, no, not wrote her a note, told her, she was like, what she said? I don't know what you're doing, or if you, what'd she say? I don't know if you need to make time, but can you actually cook Latovia a well-rounded breakfast in the morning? Because when she comes, she's a little too hyper, and it's kind of hard to handle her. Oh, can you cook Tootie or whatever? Because it's kind of hard to handle her. She's already hyper. My mom said, oh, yeah, sure, no problem. So the next day, I remember this. Wait. I remember this vividly, bro. The next day, my mom being so childish and petty, she got me honey buns, strawberry shortcake, Swiss rolls, the little brownie. She got me all of it. Like, eat it, Tootie. I'm going home. She was like, yeah, go over there and tell your teacher I gave you a good breakfast. I know I was hyped that day, bro. I know I was so hyped that day.
Oh my god.
Until that, she was like, bitch, you gonna tell me how to raise my child.
I'm probably gonna bleed by the end of this video.
I told you that hurt, bro. She make fun of me because I said I need scissors. B-Love taught me something.
Darling. Boy. I should be at the country like. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand.
Her love for Chris Brown is real.
We have like a.
I'm mad he's not having like
Love-hate
a
relationship.
meet and greet though. I think that's so stupid.
Oh, it don't matter. Whoops. Find my way. I'm find my rest. Oh, that's not the where the restrooms are. Damn. Can I use yours?
I told her make a shirt that say crew on the back and just walk through this.
Walk around. Put a crew vest on.
Put a crew thing up. Oh, y'all don't need your trash emptied in here. Ah.
Oh, this is your room.
So what you got going on?
So I'll do it tomorrow. Tonight. Nah.
I'm just excited to see her.
Bro.
I'm gonna speak my mind. Whatever we do.
I feel.
Like we seen a star
I'm not,
in Atlanta.
I'm not.
He had two braids right here with a money sign. I told, cause yeah, I ain't know I'm a hairstylist. I told him, hey, give me $200. I'll braid your hair right now.
What'd you see?
You know.
Oh, that don't make no damn sense. I feel like if you're a celebrity,
Who is he?
Let me rephrase.
If you're on any type of TV show making money,
You didn't get a check. You don't got no damn excuse. Okay. Well, it's been real. Until next time. I'm gonna tear this damn food up. Bye. Wait. What is that?